Hi folks, I'm Steve Hindy with Showing Animals Respect and Kindness. Today we have a story that probably will not make it into the annals of great law enforcement history, and it involves Laurel County Sheriff John Root. You remember Sheriff Root? He's the guy who allows illegal cockfights and illegal gambling machines, and claims to be a big drug buster, even though drugs are funneled through both the cockfight pits and the illegal gambling operations that he allows. Today's story heads in a completely different direction, and it involves this fellow, Kentucky State Representative Robert Goforth, who is accused of strangling his wife. According to the January 13, 2021 edition of the Lexington Herald-Leader, Ashley Goforth told police her husband tried to hog-tie her during an argument and then wrapped a computer cable around her neck, leading her to not be able to breathe. Since Ashley Goforth's statement was recorded, it looks like the court has what it needs to proceed. Unfortunately, there's just one problem. Turns out that Laurel County Super Sheriff John Root managed to lose the electronic recording of Ashley Goforth's statement. Those of you who are even minimally computer literate are going, how can you lose an electronic file, which can be so easily backed up and safeguarded? I hear you. But this is Laurel County, and Laurel County Sheriff John Root has special powers, like ignoring criminal cockfights and illegal gambling machines, both of which are safe harbors for illegal drugs, even though Root claims to be waging a war on drugs. So you see, losing electronic evidence for a politician charged with strangulation ain't no biggie. Not for Laurel County Super Sheriff John Root. But I'm certain there's a completely plausible explanation coming from Sheriff Root, right? According to the January 13, 2021 edition of the Lexington Herald-Leader,
Laurel County Sheriff John Root was not available for comment.
How predictable. And the real kicker is Representative Goforth's defense attorney's response to the disappearance.
Defense attorneys asked a judge to either suppress the statement from Ashley Goforth, or, if the tape isn't found and the case goes to a jury, to tell jurors that if the recording had been available, it would have been favorable to Robert Goforth's defense.
So Root's screw-up should be used as something favorable for a politician accused of strangling his wife. Why, Sheriff Root, you've outdone yourself. We've included a link to the article in the description section of this video. In closing, I made a challenge to Sheriff Root a few days ago. I have a proposal. I am prepared to drive to Laurel County and publicly confront Sheriff Root before the citizens of Laurel County. Sheriff Root would be able to ask me any question he wishes about our efforts against cockfighting or our work for animals generally. In return, I can ask Sheriff Root about his allowance of illegal criminal activities in his county. I'm still waiting for a response, John. What's the matter? Cock got your tongue? I'm Steve Hindy for Showing Animals Respect and Kindness.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to see more of our investigations and learn what you can do to help Shark help animals. If you'd like to support Shark directly and gain access to exclusive content, please consider sponsoring us on Patreon.